Mailbox Monday. It's hot as hell in Indiana edition. Let's go. What is going on, beautiful people? First Mailbox Monday in a little bit, but here we go. We're going to start off with the most important thing. If you don't follow me on Instagram and Facebook and my Facebook group and stuff, you need to do that, because then you would have seen what went on. Doug and Jordan and I went out and I fell in a rock that Doug had just warned me that rock is slick. I stepped on the rock, picked my foot up, and then lost all my footing, basically cartooned, legs out. But luckily this happened. And Jordan's Phoenix broke my fall. So I had to buy him some parts. So, most notably, we have this. Oh, hang on, gotta get my knife. This is from a buddy, Jordan. When I landed on his truck, I broke a lot of things. One of which was the rear axle housing, and the other was a axle shaft. So now he has a spare axle shaft along with the one that I bent to death, and has a new housing and everything like that. So hopefully that actually gets all of his stuff fixed, and then he can get his Phoenix back together, and then we can go back out and hopefully not break it this time. Next! Something I got the other day that I thought was super freaking cool from my girlfriend. This is for Father's Day / my birthday. It's only 2 weeks apart. So this is a plank from, I think it's called a stave. That may have been metal things. I don't remember. Anyway, it's from Buffalo Trace. She found a guy that does custom like wood burning, I guess. And so this is from a whiskey barrel. From Buffalo Trace. It's been, charcoal and everything like that, and then actually had whiskey in it. Doesn't smell, which sucks. I really wish it did. Sure would be cool, but I got a little certificate of authenticity. Here we go. See, got a little certificate of authenticity and everything from ALL3NLLC.com. Bourbon Barrel Crafts. Super cool. Has really nothing to do with RC cars other than the fact that I got it and I'm gonna put it somewhere. Oh, next. Here we go. From Shrink RC, I got more body mounts. Ooh, and I got stickers this time. Hell yeah. And I got lots of Jolly Ranchers. Killer. This is awesome. I got more body mounts for the other Blazer that I have, because obviously when you start buying Blazers and not buying mounts, you can't really do much to it. So I had a Blazer with no mounts. Now I have mounts and Jolly Ranchers. I have to hide those from the kids. This isn't RC related, and it's already open, but it is pretty cool. Some of you do collect some of this stuff. Got my RLC from this month. The blown delivery in pink. Doug's actually bringing me another one. Super sick. I like it a lot. It's hot out here. Okay, this is the next one. We'll put it in. Oh, hey yo. Got candy. Some sort of pulperin-dots. Extra spicy. Tamarind candy with liquid pulparindo fill. I don't know. Something. Not sure what these are. I got this from a dude online that has like auctions and stuff. It's a REEF's 555. I got this thing for $90 shipped. Super happy about that. Pretty nice. Cool and everything. Has this nice sleeve. I don't know if that's factory or not, but I don't think so. But I like it. Very nice servo. Normally I have kind of the servos that I like, but when you pick one up for what, $40 off what it is new, and it is, that thing looks brand new. It's got a little scratch where it had a servo or a screw under or something. Other than that, it's nice. So I'm happy with it. Next. All right. Next we have this. More servos. Ordered some shifty servos for my Phoenix. I burnt one up trying to go from a 3-position to a 2-position. Now these are cheap Amazon servos. However, all you're doing, it moves this far. It goes chink, chink. It doesn't need any power really. So I bought 2 of them. These are PDI 4409 MGs. I don't think that's what they were called, but I could be wrong. JX servo. They're JX servos. They're low profile. I think they're 15 kg, something like that. 9.2 or 9.2, 9 kg. Like I said, they're just shifter servos. You don't need to go crazy even on a Phoenix just because it's a Vanquish. Just, you don't have to have insanely nice servos. That's just silly. Next, this I got because once you rewire everything and get everything all situated where you want it, I found that a lot of my servo wires are too long. So what I did was I got a set of the ends, and I got a set, I got a set of this, and this is all ends and females and males and little connectors and some wire and everything. So now I can not only make my own extensions if I decide to, I can also shorten everything up, which is actually what I want to do. Because sometimes you got too much and you can't put it all in there everywhere, you know. Your mom complains about the same thing with me, that she can't put it all in, so she wishes it was shorter. So anyway, yeah, so I got those. That'll tidy up some of the wiring and stuff. That's pretty cool. This was super cheap on Amazon too. I think this was like 13 bucks. It's got like 30 different doodads and stuff. You can make a bunch of wires shorter and everything, so that's pretty cool. I also went to the Hobby Lobby and I got some paint. Apparently Createx will hold on to Lexan without any problems. A lot of people that I talked to have used it. So I got some pearl pink, pearl purple, pearl orange, I believe is what this is. Yeah, wicked orange. It's got a pearl in it. I got wicked golden yellow and a pearl tangerine. Maybe this isn't pearl. Looks like it has metallic in it, but I could be wrong. This is opaque purple. And I got black, white, and some more reducer as well. This is water-based, but clearly it says do not put just straight water in there. It's not the same thing. I don't know. I don't know anything about painting. The water-based reducer was like $7 or something, so I figured I'll spend $7 and not spend a whole lot of time out here trying to figure out why in the hell everything won't work, because that doesn't sound like fun at all. So now we have these. One's kind of cool here in a second. One thing I did do was I had a half cab body that I was going to put on a truck, a VS410 based truck, and Jordan actually had a full cab body, and he said, man, I wish I had a half cab. And I said, well, let me tell you a story about how I have a half cab and would rather have a full cab. So we swapped straight up. I got a full cab. I'm gonna paint it like a Scout. It'll be yellow. It is the yellow wheels that I got a few months ago that you guys have surely all seen. That's what it's gonna go on. Super excited about that. Got the stickers. I've wanted a full cab for a while, so now I got one. Also, the Crawlmaster Sports from Holmes, I finally got some replacements about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days ago. Got these out. They were out of 13 turns, so it wasn't necessarily Holmes' fault that it took so long. They were just out of stock, and I told them I wanted to wait for the 13 turns, so that's what I got. Now I have motors that will actually work instead of one that doesn't have a brush and the other one that is furred, or I don't know what the hell's wrong with it, but it's got like goop on it and it won't turn. So, and last, but one of the things I'm most excited about is this guy from J Concepts. Super stoked about this. I've wanted these for a while. Saw them in USTE videos, and they were apparently trapped on a boat. That is what the dude said when I saw him at Beat the Creek. So what we have here are the new 4.75 holds from J Concepts. know how much of that you can see. If not, I'll just cut it out and put a green compound. They look super cool. They basically look like cut boggers, but they're not cut boggers because Interco has not licensed these, so that would be illegal. So they're not cut boggers. Oh, those are so rad. They look so cool too. They're actually cut. You can see where they're like they've done the tread to make them actually look like cut super swampers. That is so cool. They have tons of detail on the side. The foams, I'm sure, suck, but it is what it is. These are killer. I have no idea what I'm gonna put them on. I just saw them and knew I wanted some. I love the green compound from J Concepts. That's what I'm using on my Class 0 Blazer. I have a set of landmines that are green. These things are so cool. They're so rad. I'll give you some up close shots here. They have a really flat, square. These are gonna be really good trail tires. They're almost like paddles, but they've got those weird cut marks in them. Super cool. Super, super cool. All right, and that wraps up Mailbox Monday. Pretty much it. Leave your comments and suggestions and all that stuff. If you, as usual, if you want to see anything, let me know in the comments. I got plenty of stuff. Go back and watch all my old videos. Also, YouTube opened up the subscription for memberships. So now I have been preaching to go to my Patreon and support the channel. Now you can actually join through YouTube. All you got to do, there should be a members tab. Click on that. It'll say join, members, something along those lines. You do that. Pick one of your, you know, what you're comfortable with. They all do come with perks. One of them is just a basic support. One of them is kind of a, you know, you'll get to see what's going on a little bit beforehand. The high level, if you want to know exactly what I'm doing when I'm doing it usually, and I'm out here and I'm sending pictures to my dad and Jordan and things like that, there is also a level for that. You can still join on Patreon as well, whatever you want to do. You will definitely see some of the things that are coming if you do, because I bought a lot of stuff in the last 48 hours. So that is all. You guys have a wonderful day. I hope to keep pounding these out, and I will see you later. Bye.